In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your ConvertKit API key. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Understanding how to locate your API key is essential if you're looking to integrate ConvertKit with other applications or services. This key acts as a digital handshake, allowing your tools to communicate with each other securely. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your ConvertKit account. Head over to the ConvertKit website and enter your credentials. Enter your email and password, and then click the Login button. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard if you're new to it. You'll notice various options on the left side, like your sign-up forms, landing pages, and broadcasts, which are all useful tools for your email marketing campaign. Now, to find your API key, you'll need to navigate to a specific section of your account. On the left sidebar, click on the Account Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in the Account Settings area, look for the API tab. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the API tab, and you'll see a section labeled API Key. Now here's where I want you to pay close attention. Your API key is sensitive information, so treat it like a password. It's important to keep it secure and not share it unnecessarily. Once you find your API key, you might want to copy it for use in the integration you're planning. Simply click on the key to highlight it, and then right-click and choose Copy. Or use the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now let's talk a little bit about what you can do with this API key. By integrating ConvertKit with other tools, you can automate processes, sync leads, manage subscribers, and much more. For example, if you're using tools like Zapier, you can create workflows that automatically add new subscribers to your ConvertKit list whenever someone fills out a form on your website. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that you don't miss out on potential leads. If you ever need to retrieve your API key again, you can follow the same steps. It's easy to forget where things are located in a platform, so having a quick process can be a lifesaver. In addition to the API key, you may also notice several other settings and information in the API section. For those interested in building more complex integrations, there are usually API documentation links you can follow for more detailed instructions on how to use the key for different applications. Always remember to regenerate your API key if you think it may have been compromised. You can usually find this option in the same section where your key is listed. Make sure to replace and update any existing integrations with your new key. And there you have it. You've successfully located your ConvertKit API key. Now you're one step closer to effortlessly managing your email marketing campaigns and accessing all the opportunities that come with integrations. Keep this information handy and build that fantastic online community around your brand or business. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to videos on marketing tools and strategies that can help your business flourish. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing!